bagong phone. Kasi naglalove na siya. Pero, hindi ko talaga ito malat go as in. Gaano ka ka-OA? Nako. It's the next day me and let's go get a new phone. We're here in SM Batangas to get a new phone and super tagal ko na tong pinag-isipan kasi to be honest, gumagana pa naman tong iPhone 14 Pro Max ko. The thing is, yung battery health niya kasi pa-line of 60 na. Naglalag na siya. And basta hindi na overall maganda yung performance niya. I-share ko lang yung power bank ko today is my Jisoo Life Ultra 2 fan. For some reason, kinakabahan ako lagi pag big purchases like this. Dito na tayo. Ito po yung white or desert titanium. Huwag na lang nagpapawisan yung kilikili ko. Manghangati na anet ko dito. Clear lang po. Yung ano po niya, yung sa camera, may butas. Ma'am, clear lang ayaw ng private. Clear lang. Sa ano po, adapter? Ito ma'am, Apple brand. Sige po. Ang case mo, sir. May case na po pala ako in order. Sige po, thank you. Service center. Hello mga Ate Corn, it's actually a week later and yes, we got the phone. I got the iPhone 16 Pro Max in the color white. The case na siya. This is from Casetify. This is from their Bretman Rock collab. Anyway, gusto ko lang i-share why I was so emotional when I was buying this phone. Kasi baka isipin nyo, software OA ko lang talaga. So the phone that I'm currently filming with, the one before this, is an iPhone 14 Pro Max. I've had that for almost 3 years na. Hirap ako i-let go tong phone na to kasi feeling ko ang dami kong na-achieve with this phone. And also, before I got this phone, I had an iPhone 12. Before I was planning to upgrade to this phone, I promised my brother na ibibigay ko to sa kanya. Sabi ko, wait lang, bibili lang ako ng bagong phone and then ibibigay ko na to sa'yo. Ewan ko, as an ate, I just felt like sa kanya na talaga to dapat mapupunta. But unfortunately, nakailang take na ako. Basta, unfortunately, months later, I lost my brother. Never ko nilet ko tong phone na to kasi in my mind, sa kanya pa rin to. I feel like the reason why I was crying in the first part of this vlog is because that was my grief showing. Mindset ko kasi na-stuck siya sa if i-upgrade ko tong phone na to, yung gamit ko pang film, then this phone will now again go to my brother. Pero since wala na siya, I think it was innately embedded na parang no, don't give it away kasi wala naman siya. You know what I mean? Part of me was sad na if i-let go ko to, wala nang mapupuntahan tong phone na to. But another part of me was like, maybe if I held on to this phone a little longer, then parang nawawire yung brain ko na, oh, andyan lang yung brother ko naghihintay. So doon ko na-realize na parang even in the little things, grief really still lingers. Doon ko na-realize na you can't really avoid it. You just really have to learn to live around it. But again, even with grief, life goes on, life doesn't stop. And this phone that I'm filming with right now, it doesn't perform at its optimal level na. And of course, I'm still very much grateful to God that He has still blessed me with so much amidst, you know, all the pain. Anyway, ayun lang naman. Ang title ng MMK episode na to ay Cellphone.